guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. I am out of breath because I've just run up the stairs. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. This is the August box, which is the birthday box because it's Glossybox's birthday. This was opened, so I'm hoping nothing has been taken out of it. It's okay. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'll leave all the links down below. I am a member of the Glossy Circle and I get sent this in PR, so I do not pay for this box, but all opinions are honest and my own because nobody likes a bullshitter. Yeah, I've got a discount code which is Glossy Circle and I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and I'm very excited. Oh look, this is open as well. Oh, I hope there's nothing taken. This was just left on my doorstep. Look how beautiful the box is. I'm so annoyed that it's broken. How pretty is that? I love it. No, we look like we're okay. It just looks like it's been a bit bent. So, it's like this inside. Just before anybody asks, so we'll get a comment. My lipstick is Fenty and it is Dragon Mammy. My sister-in-law got it for me for my birthday. I cannot afford to buy Fenty, although I'd like to because I love Fenty. Right, so let's have a look. So it says, let's celebrate. It's our 9th birthday and we're celebrating in true glossy style with fabulous products and plenty of surprises. We're thrilled that you're here to celebrate with us, and as a thank you, we're bringing you nothing but glitzy, vibrant luxury from our incredible birthday edition and its amazing bow. Better yet, you're about to become the first to try our newly launched Glossybox skincare range, as we've nestled in our indulgent eye boost cream with this inside this edition, special edition extra. And let's unwrap your treats and get this party started. So, oh, it's all very glossy themed. There's lots of pinks, which I like. So let's just have a little look. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. This is the box. I'm just gonna, the first thing I'm gonna get out is the Glossybox eye boost cream. So this is Glossybox skincare and it says eye boost cream, proudly introducing the luscious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. More on that in this magazine, and there is all the information about the skincare and all the different things. Oh, there's loads. I'll quickly go through those. You're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. It is a elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. We hope you love it as much as we do. Glossybox subscriber price is £16, RRP is £20. So it is in the traditional glossy packaging. It is so bright, I'm sorry. I really need to get a better camera because that's just, you can't see that. I'll put some pictures in if I remember. So again, it is, this is vegan, cruelty free. And it's just a little cute little tube with the Glossybox logo on it. Let's have a little rub it in. There's no smell whatsoever, which is nice, but that's rubbed in really lovely. I haven't tried any of the glossy skincare yet, so I'm very excited for this. I will start using this tonight. So that's the first thing. Next up, we've got Brushworks, and it is a Wonder Complexion Sponge. So that is the box. So it looks like a beauty blender kind of thing, but a Brushworks one. And it's got the egg shape at the top and then a nice flat edge, so you can we'll give it all that. Full size, £5.49. To celebrate our birthday, we're giving you the tools to create the ultimate party look. 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer and contour and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas and flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas with precision. Simply dampen to apply liquids or use dry for creams and powders. I only ever use these wet. I don't ever use them dry. I just don't like the feel of them on my face when they're dry, but you can if you want to. Next up, this is Molten Brown. I know from the packaging. Oh, delicious rhubarb and rose. I got all excited because I saw rhubarb and then I saw rose. Beauty. I love Molten Brown packaging. It's so nice. I hate the smell of rose. Please don't be too rosy. Just dripped on myself. Just smells like rhubarb. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh my god, that literally smells like rhubarb and custard sweets. That smells so good. A slice of crimson summer tart, freshly picked roses on the pantry table, scattered pastry crumbs and glossy ribbons of rhubarb stems. Treat your senses to an irresistible sweet recipe with a citrus twist. Vivacious, fizzy and tempting. Ooh, fancy pants. Full size one of these is £22. This is $7.33. We want you to feel like royalty. Molten Brown's indulgent shower gel boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb, rose and zesty grapefruit and smells divine. A luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistible. Apply onto wet skin with a loofah and pour into a warm bath for a relaxing soak. I always use these in the bath and they just make the bathroom smell amazing. Love them. Next up, what are you? Steve Laurent. Steve Laurent. You see my armpit there, that's nice. What are you? What are you? A lip liner. Ooh. Full size, £12, 9p. Throughout your birthday month, throughout our birthday month, we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. This magical lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed. It stays put for up to 7 hours. Ooh, that sounds cool. Let's have a little look. Looks like a nice nude. Oh, it's sealed in plastic packaging within the cardboard prison. I've got to try and undo you now. Oh, yeah, it's a nude. Really nice. Oh, I love it. It's a really nice, it's like a mauvey nude. Really pretty. Really, really love that colour. So nice. It looks a bit pink on there, but I promise you it's not. It's like a mauvey nude. Really pretty. Has this got a name? This is called Vogue. I don't know why I pulled that face. And the last thing we've got is from Huda, and it's a demi-matte liquid lipstick. Demi-matte cream lipstick. It wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda. This creamy lippy boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula, then glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour for your palette. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, and then blot with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. £18. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, it looks like it's going to go quite nicely with the lip liner. Really pretty. Oh, I like that. And it doesn't smell. Quite a lot of Huda stuff that I've had has been really overly scented. No, that's not got... No, there's no smell to that whatsoever. That's a really pretty colour and it goes really nicely with the lip liner. I like that a lot. Ooh, I love it. So that was the box. And then September sneak peek is Avant, £89. Hyaluronic vitamin C, Lessian Maris Aqua Jojoba something. Wow. Yeah, that's that. There's the skincare. So it says like all about it. So it's Glossybox skincare for you, by you. Clean and simple, affordable, effective, no nonsense skincare. For subscribers you get 20% off, which means everything will be between £12 and £18. Eco-friendly, cruelty-free and natural. All the formulas are cruelty-free and at least 87% natural, but the packaging is made of 100% recyclable sugar cane. We even use 100% recyclable, renewable electricity and create zero landfill waste. That's amazing. And they are made in their own facility in the UK. You can buy them at Glossybox, and then there is a little thing here that tells you all the different things. I'm not going to read all the details because I'm sure there'll be loads of videos from people actually testing everything. We've got a deeply cleansing cream, 3-in-1 rich moisturiser, gentle foaming cleanser, purifying charcoal cleanser, a night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, daily micellar gel cleanser, hydrating mist. Ooh, I love a mist. 3-in-1 moisturiser and an eye boost cream, and the eye boost cream is what we've got now. But yeah, there's all those there. Oh, I love it. There's not one thing I don't like, because there's normally, I was expecting to like the rose thing, but it smells like rhubarb. Doesn't smell like rose. Nope, it literally smells like sweets. I want to eat it. I'm not going to, but I want to. yeah, so that was Glossybox's birthday month. Happy birthday, Glossybox. 9 years old and going strong. Thank you for sending me this. This is always lovely of you and I appreciate it so much. If you guys like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm running a giveaway at the moment that ends on the 8th. What day is it today? Like maybe 2 days, so I'll leave a link for my giveaway. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye guys.